Hi, this is Bob Holcomb from Apex Automotive in Great Barrington, Massachusetts for Demand Studios. We're going to talk about how to get your car unstuck, whether you find yourself in the snow or in the mud. If you're lucky enough to have traction control in your car, you simply hit your gas and let your computer drive you out of the hole. Although some cars do not have this. What you need to do is understand first that you're stuck. Slow down, stop spinning your wheels, and relax. Put the car in the dry position. Once the car is in the dry position, if none of your wheels are turning, there's a good chance that you can work your way out of this predicament. You need to apply a little bit of gas pressure with the other foot on the brake. You need to see if your car rocks slightly forward or backwards. If your car moves slightly forward, move it slightly to the point where you can hold it with the brake. Put the car in the reverse direction. Now you have a little bit of momentum to come up out of your hole. Put the car in reverse, let the car roll into the hole, and then gently let the car drive out of the hole. You may have to do this 3 or 4 times before you get enough groove where you can back out of your predicament. This is Bob Holcomb from Apex Automotive in Great Barrington, Massachusetts for Demand Studios.